Last time we have learned how to read o'clock. How to read o'clock time. Today we will revise o'clock and we will learn how to read half past. Okay, we are going to practice half past time. Half past, what is half past? I will help you, I will explain you. Okay, with the help of PPT. Okay, everybody watch this clock. Don't consider it as a clock, just consider it as a circle. Okay, so if we divide a circle into two parts, that means we will get half and half, right? We can divide the circle into two halves. Yes or no? In the same way, if I divide the time into two halves, where will I reach? Who will tell me? If I divide this and I start from here 12, where will I reach? Can anybody tell me where will I reach? Yes, please raise hand. Okay, Devansh. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, 6.
Absolutely correct. Very good. I will reach at 6. That means I have covered the distance from 12 till 6. I have covered the half distance, right? Halfway. So the time starts from 12, right? Time starts from 12. And when the minute hand completes one round, it will again reach at 12, right? And if I say, if the minute hand covers only half distance, halfway, that means you will find the minute hand on 6, all right? So whenever the minute hand is on 6, that means half past. That means half past. Clear, everyone? We will move the minute hand slowly, right? The distance between two numbers is of dash minutes. Who will tell me the answer? What is the distance between two numbers? You have to tell me in minutes. Who will tell me? How many minutes difference is there between two numbers? Yes, Purav, tell me. Yes, beta? Suppose the minute hand is on 12. So when it will reach on 1, so how many minutes has it covered? How many minutes are passed? Yes, beta? The distance between two numbers is of how many minutes? Who will tell me? Yashika. Yes, Yashika, tell me.
2. 5.
Yes, 5 minutes. The distance between two numbers is of 5 minutes. That's why I asked you last time to learn the table of 5, because if we know the table of 5, then we can easily read the time. Okay. So we will start from the beginning. When the minute hand or the long hand is on 12, just like here, can you see this? When the minute hand or the long hand is on 12, that means o'clock. That means o'clock. Now see this. Right now it is 1 o'clock. Can you see this small clock? What is the time? 1 o'clock. if the hour hand is on 2, that means 2 o'clock, then 3 o'clock, then 4 o'clock, and so on. Okay, this we have done last time. Now we will move slowly. Let's see. Okay, right now the minute hand is on 12. That means o'clock. Now minute hand has moved from 12 to 1. Who will tell me how many minutes are passed? Who will tell me how many minutes are passed? Yes, Anshuman, tell me how many minutes are passed.
Ma'am, 5.
Very good. 5 minutes are passed. So if we write down the time, we say 5 minutes passed. Okay. All right. So the distance between 12 and 1 is of 5 minutes. Now minute hand is moving and see where it will reach now. 5 minutes passed. Suppose the minute hand is on 2. Who will tell me how many minutes are passed? Yes, Jay, tell me how many minutes are passed now.
10 minutes.
Very good, 10 minutes. How 10 minutes? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Or you can say 5 2s are 10, right? If we read the table of 5, that means 5 2s are 10. And it will be easier for us to read the time if we know the table of 5. So 10 minutes passed. 10 minutes passed. Right? 10 minutes passed. Now the minute hand is moving again and it has reached on 3. Who will tell me how many minutes are over? Or how many minutes are passed? Yes, Rudra, tell me. Very good, Kaustubh. Yes, Rudra, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
How many minutes are passed?
5. 10.
नहीं 3 पे तो कितने होंगे बेटा
15.
Very good. 15. 15 minutes are passed. Or you can say 15 minutes passed. Very good. Or one more way to speak, just like I told you, half past. Now, if the minute hand is on 3, you can also call it as quarter past. Why quarter past? Because this portion is the 4th portion of the whole circle, right? This is 1/4 part. So we can also read the time in the form of quarter past, right? So if the minute hand is on 3, we can call it quarter past or 15 minutes past. Both are correct. You can read in any of the way. Now the minute hand has reached on 4. So who will tell me how many minutes are over or how many minutes passed? Aditya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
How many minutes passed?
Ma'am, 20 minutes.
Very good. 20 minutes passed. 20 minutes passed. 5 4s are 20. That means 5 times 4. Now the minute hand has reached on 5. Who will tell me? Let me ask. Kaustubh. Yes, Kaustubh, please tell me.
25.
What is 25? Can you please tell me properly? What is 25?
25 minutes.
Very good. 25 minutes past. That means over. Yes. 25 minutes past. Very good. So that means Kaustubh has learned the table of 5. Yes, Kaustubh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. That's like my good boy. So now the minute hand is about to reach at 6. So that means it has covered halfway, right? Now, who will tell me how many minutes are passed? If the minute hand is on 6, how many minutes are passed? Let me ask Hitesh. Yes, Hitesh, how many minutes are passed? Yes, Hitesh, how many minutes are passed, beta? Please unmute yourself and tell me. If the minute hand is... Beta, the minute hand is on 6. So how many minutes are over or how many minutes are passed? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, 10.
If the minute hand reaches on 6, that means half past. Past means over, gone. Clear? Clear, everyone? Half past. So we will read up to this much only, and now we are going to read the time. See this clock. The minute hand, listen very carefully because after that I'm going to ask you the questions. See this clock, the minute hand is on 6. That means it has covered 30 minutes. So how you're going to read the time? Half past. But half past how much? The shorthand or the hour hand is between 10 and 11. So you are not going to say 11. Why? Because it has not reached at 11 till now. It is between 10 and 11. So you are going to read it as 10:30 or half past 10. Half past for minutes and 10 for hours. Now, how do we write the time? Everyone, please watch out here. First, we write down hour and then we write down minutes. Okay? This is the first way to write down the time. Hour means the shorthand. The shorthand is between 10 and 11. So that means 10, not 11 because it has not reached up to 11. The minute hand is on 6. That means 30 minutes. So we will put this colon and then we will write down 30. So 10 for shorthand and 30 for longhand. This is the first way. Now next way. I told you that when the minute hand reaches on 6, that means it has covered halfway. So what are you supposed to write down? Half past. Half past. Now, half past is for minutes. How much half past? 10, because we are using 10 for hours. It is between 10 and 11. That means we are going to write down here 10. So we can write down the time in any of the way, either 10:30 or half past 10. Clear, everyone? Now I will tell you one more time and after that your turn to answer me. Suppose the the hour hand is between 9 and 10. So that, and minute hand is on 6. That means half past 9. Half past 9. Why half past 9? Half past is for minutes, right? Half past is for minutes. So instead of writing 30 minutes, I'm writing half past. And how many hours are over? 9. So 9 is for hour. Okay, 9 is for hour. So the time is half past 9, or you can say 9:30. 9:30. Clear, everyone? Clear? If the minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand changes, it is between 8 and 9. Who will tell me the time now? Can anybody tell me the time? Come on, raise hand. Who will tell me the time? Parmesh, please tell me the time.
बड़े वाले छोटे वाले 8 पे बड़े वाली 9 पे 6 पे अच्छा 6 पे 8:06 30
मैम को बताओ, बोलो।
8:30 मैम 8:30
Okay. Speak like 8:30. Don't say 8:30 beta. Say 8:30. Say 8:30.
बोलो 8:30.
8:30
Or you can say half past 8. Say half past 8.
कहाँ ध्यान दो?
बोलो बेटा, half past 8. Parmesh, repeat after ma'am.
बोलो।
yes ma'am
Half past 8.
past 8
Very good. Half past. It is between 11 and 12. Who will tell me the time now? Let me ask Hitesh. Hitesh, tell me the time.
ma'am 12:30
Beta, it is between 11 and 12. It has not reached on 12. So that means
ma'am 11:30
very good. Or you can say half past 11. You can also say half past 11. Very good. Very good. Okay. My last question. It is between 12 and 1. Who will tell me the time? Hansika, tell me the time. It is between, the shorthand is between 12 and 1. Hansika, please tell me the time.
half past 12
Very good. Very good, Hansika. You told me the correct time. Give me high five. Give me high five. Very good, bache. Very good. So I think you people have understood